bar and have everything that you want selected, you can hit the enter or return button. So as you guys can see, I'm just picking through the different ones that I want, and as you hit the space bar, it will X out the modification that you've applied to the game. It may flash around, your game may bug out a little bit in the background. Don't mind it. As soon as you hit enter, everything should be fixed. So I'm just going to turn everything on here for you guys to see an example of what it's like to have everything activated. However, be careful because there is a ×6 speed multiplier, and I didn't realize that till after shooting this video. So I'm going to be flying around my ship like crazy. As you guys see right now, the super speed modification worked. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the different weapons as well. Give it about 5 seconds to load the picture previews. Because they're not in the game yet, it can be a little bit glitchy at times. But as you see, we have all the new rifles, all the new shotguns, all the new snipers, the electricity weapons, and the plasma rays. All the good stuff, even the explosive crossbow. So yeah, the rest of the video, I am just going to be previewing all the cool different items that the game has and has to come in the future patches. Make sure you guys like the video, drop a comment, subscribe, turn on those notification bells so you can get notified every time I drop this hot ass content. It's your boy Coven here with the Coven of Creations. I'm gonna leave you guys to it. Peace.